Did Windows Update or something in Windows just crash your PC, and the only way to fix it is to reload Windows? I'm going to show you a technique to save you a ton of time getting your device back to where it was. The first thing that I do is that when I get new software, I have the download file for software. Well, I save it in a folder called downloads on my data drive. So all the software that I am using, the install files are all on my PC. So if I've been good and backed up my PC to external drive, or in my case, to my network storage device, then I have all the installation files for all the software I use. It makes it a lot easier. Plus, it reminds you of all the software that you had installed prior to the Microsoft blue screen of death. So once you reinstall Windows, you can go to that download folder and begin downloading. Now, the second piece of that is I use a software called Bitwarden. This is a password manager. So all the logins and passwords are stored there. Plus, in the additional info part of each entry is the key. So I now have how to sign in, what is a password, and what is the intro key, all stored. It's just a matter of going through the download folder and reinstalling all the software. I know that's a pain. You have the install file, you have the login, you have the password, and you have the activation key all stored, so you don't have to go as far back to start over. I hope you found this useful. Please like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any additional suggestions for how to do this.